Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance A and S Candy. The song is Candy. The artist is Snoop Dogg featuring E40, and the choreography is DJ Big Stuf. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water.
Merchant, shipping and handling your life supply. Time to get up and wipe your eye boogers out my eye. What y'all trying to buy, baby? You know it's kind of dry. You only got a couple of pies left to last me through the year. Ice cream candy. Man, let's be coming in. It's real walkie-talkie. I got that from the DB's, my cousin. I got you over the cop and be about your grip. Then I already sour, slippery at the lip. These stuff suckers for nothing. Don't be no sucker. Be a block monster, be the rest of a mother. Real managed with my Spanish. If it ain't about no Buddha partner, you can vanish. Don't get put up in your place. Give me 43 in an ounce of that place.
You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water.
You know I got that
You
candy.
want 'em, dripping like water.
Yeah.
You want 'em, I got 'em,
Bossed up.
dripping like water.
Snoopy
You
Eagle
want 'em, I
Dub.
got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water.
Now niggas don't drop jelly beans, lollipops and triple beans. Blue cupcake, yeah, that's the treatment. Candy so sweet, got everybody eating it. Big Stuf, I'm the star of this. So go and get yourself a bar. No change, man. Give me the bucks. The kind of candy I sell, they call it these nuts. I'm on with the caramel insides. You up here running it with the French fries. How to feel, nigga? What it look like? I'm in the neighborhood pulling on some Bud Light. Sweet, sticky, take it out the wrapper. Now put it in your mouth. To the beat of the drum, it'll be fun, and I bet you can't just eat one.
You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water.
We got it,
You want
we
'em,
got
I
it.
got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em,
got
I
the
got 'em,
candy?
dripping
Come on.
like water.
I'm in the hood with 6 straight candy paint. Little something to choke me though, it's all faint. And you know when the beat to my baby brain. With my grip round it, but I hold her steady. Yeah, she my one and only. Quick to keep back heels who don't know me. I feel good about candy. My gangsters understand me.
Shake it, baby, don't break it, baby. Now can you make it clap, clap? I get this work in your gap. Drop it like water, I gotta get my hustle on. I get it from you, then I step on it to ball on. It's getting sweeter than a sugar cane. Here come that sugar daddy, like rolling in the whole thing. For shit, he turn it into something, boy. Cause I can't leave this filthy game without my man
You
joy.
want 'em, I got 'em, dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em,
Yeah.
dripping like water. You
So
want 'em, I
tasty.
got 'em, dripping like water.
Hey, yo,
You
Dash,
want 'em, I got 'em,
Corrupt,
dripping like water.
DPG.
You want 'em, I got 'em,
I know
dripping
y'all
like
got that
water.
candy,
You
man.
want 'em, I got 'em,
Give me
dripping
some of
like
the
water.
candy,
You
man.
want 'em, I got 'em,
Talk to me one
dripping
time.
like water. You want 'em, I got 'em,
For real.
dripping like You want them?
A&S Candy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.